Okay, in this question, we're going to have two people. One person is going to ask how much does something cost, and the other person is going to tell the other person what it costs. So, Céin price, the little girl is saying, Céin price atá ar an. So, what price is on the, and here's a few of the words. Céin price atá ar an uachtar róte, how much is the ice cream? Céin price atá ar an peann Louis. Céin price atá ar an crispy, or na crispy. Céin price atá ar an liricon, on the lollipop. Céin price atá ar an peann. Céin price atá ar an leabhar. What price is the book? Céin price atá ar an milseán. Céin price atá ar an carta. Okay, and then the little boy will respond with the price. So in Irish you say tá, the price on it. So, tá cent a wine air. So there's 1 cent on it. That's what we're saying in Irish. Tá gá cent on it. There's 2 cent air. Tá 5 cent air. It's 5 cent. Tá 10 cent air. It's 10 cent. Tá 20 cent air. It's 20 cent. Tá 50 cent air. It's 50 cent. Now, tá euro a wine. So 1 euro is euro a wine air. Okay. Tá gá euro air. €2 on it. Tá 5 euro air. There's a price of €5 on it. And tá 10 euro air. It costs €10. There's a price of €10 on it. So what I want you to have a go is in try and practice this at home. Céin price atá ar an, and then the other person has to respond with the price and have a bit of fun with it.